following orders, not knowing what they do, not caring.
What's up guys, to start this full week vlog out, I'm gonna go up Mornington Tiffs with my sister and Clifton. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time up there. Yes. Lexi!
What do you think?
Oh yeah, baby.
Sauce, guys.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Big B, and today is my first day of work.
Happy Halloween!
The ghost just gone crazy. Those conifers have been there since we've been here, and they're finally chopping them down. So I went to go work for 2 days at that at the job what I was supposed to do. I just didn't feel right down there, so I've quit the job basically. Those trees are coming down dead quick. Oh God!
Are you filming me at the same time?
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing in there? Hey? What are you doing in there? And that is haircut. Just walking school.
Yeah. And that's the block scooter.
It's like the scooter in the back of Dad's car, basically. So he's at walk.
Brandon.
Oh, look at the cheeky girl.
He's nice, bye-bye.
He's the girl dam. Something I've been working on. So I've made 2 songs. I've made this one and another one. This one's called Dead Eyed, and the other one's called As Long As I Left, I think. This is the other song I did, basically. I've been sampling more.
Most of what is here.
So now it's not Halloween time anymore. You have to get rid of the pumpkins, so that's why it's doing that. Well, that didn't work, so let's try another thing. So, setting it on fire didn't work, so we're going to use a driver. But instead of using the driver like that, you're better off using a machete. So we're going up in a minute. So we're going up Jodie's for Bonfire Night, even though it's not Bonfire Night, it's Bonfire Night tomorrow, but we have Bonfire Night early because it's a Sunday and we like to stay up a little bit longer. These are the fireworks, what they've brought. He's thought about it and he's done it. Wow.